This is the mini portable sewing machine. This machine is pretty compatible. You can use it to make dresses, shirts, and skirts. The sewing machine itself is already equipped with this thing, which will help you to put on the thread on the needle. Also a needle. And 4 spare bobbins. And also 2 bobbins that are already in place, the one in the top and the one in the bottom. It also has a foot pedal, an adapter, and a battery case just in case if you don't have electricity, you still can use it to sew. You can also sew without using the foot pedal. When you're sewing without the pedal, there is the no pedal button here which you can press while you're sewing. And also you can manage the sewing speed using this button. You can set it to the low mode and the fast mode, high mode. Machine, make sure that the thread is installed properly, because if not, the machine will not properly and you won't get the best result.